Canary Deployment, the send the brave ones first strategy. It's like letting a few brave visitors ride the new roller coaster first, just to confirm it doesn't launch anyone into orbit. The new version is released to a small percentage of users and gradually rolled out as it proves stable. Small start, steady checks, and an immediate stop if the version misbehaves. For example, a company might roll out a new feature in one region, watch it closely, then release it everywhere. Blue green deployment, the two houses, one move in day strategy. It's like hosting a party in room blue while room green gets fully decorated. Once green is perfect, you move the entire crowd over and close blue without killing the vibe. One version is live, the other waits patiently, and you switch traffic with a dramatic flip. The load balancer points all requests to blue, while green stays offline for upgrades. After deploying and verifying the update on green, the load balancer swaps its target group to green instantly. Instant rollback, zero downtime, and pure deployment control. Recreate deployment, the hard reset strategy. Imagine updating an application by shutting everything down and hoping nobody notices the blackout. Everyone gets kicked out, the system goes dark, and the new version boots up like nothing happened. Recreate deployment shuts down every running instance, deploys the new version, and restarts the whole application from scratch. Simple to run, guaranteed downtime. Great for tiny apps, terrible for actual users. Companies use it constantly in dev and test environments where downtime doesn't matter. Rolling deployment, the one at a time, please strategy. It's like upgrading your car on the highway, one piece at a time, while pretending this is totally safe. Rolling deployment updates your app instance by instance, gradually shifting traffic from old to new. The whole point is zero downtime, unless the new version shows up with bugs you've never met before. For example, an online e commerce store updates its checkout service by rolling out new instances region by region, ensuring nobody gets kicked mid purchase. A B testing deployment, the choose your fighter strategy. It's like showing people two different outfits and seeing which one gets more compliments. Half your users get version A, the other half get version B, and the best version wins. A/B deployments run two versions of your app in parallel to compare conversion, performance, or user behavior. For example, a website might test two different landing page headlines to see which one gets visitors to click sign up more often. Shadow deployment. It's like doing your job while your clone follows you around, mimicking every task, and nobody else pretends to notice. The new version receives real traffic but doesn't respond back to users. It just practices silently. Shadow deployments mirror real production requests to the new version while the old version still handles actual responses. Great for performance testing, zero risk to users, and guaranteed developer confusion when debugging logs.